So I'm using 6mm crochet hook and a medium worsted yarn. I'll start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 33. Now I'm gonna make one double crochet in the third chain from the hook and one double crochet in every chain till the end of the round. In this last loop I'm gonna make one double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, turning the work upside down like this, and then I'm gonna make one double crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. This is how it will look. So I'm at the end of this row. And in the last stitch I will make one double crochet, chain 2, and in this beginning chain 2 space here in the loop I will make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and join. So this is how I created the loops for the granulation like we did previously. Now I'm gonna chain 2 and double crochet in every stitch. Till the next corner. And then in these two corners what I'm gonna do is 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So this is 2 double crochet, chain 2, so here I'm at the end of the second row, and in the space I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and I've got the chain 3 here. I'm gonna only add 1 double crochet and join to the beginning, chain 2, and then I'll continue the same throughout the row. So I will make in every space 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and in every stitch 1 double crochet. So I've got 4 corners total to make the double crochet, chain 2, the 2 double crochet. So here I'm going to introduce a new color. You can make it from any stitch or you can make it in the corner. So I'll start in the corner and then I'll join. I'm going to chain 3 1 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet in every stitch as done previously, exactly the same. That's it. And here I'm at the last space, and I will follow with 2 double crochet, chain 2, and join. And then you're gonna keep repeating the same in every row till you achieve the width required for your project. And this is how to make the solid granny rectangle. Easy and straightforward pattern. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.